Ford Super Duty 7.3 liter Godzilla motor. This is what it sounds like before 2021. Very quiet. Where's sound decibels? 88.6. You can barely hear it. All right, we're gonna open this beast up. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2021 Ford F-350 Godzilla has entered the building. Look, this lift is 25 feet long, guys, and it takes all 25 feet of it. So this truck is at least 25. It's more than that because it sticks out on each side. It's about 28 feet long. It's got the Godzilla 7.3 motor. Just a massive truck all the way around. As you guys see, it's got nice wheels. He waited 9 months to get this damn beast, which I don't blame him. I would have waited too. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it goes into this massive resonator or muffler. It comes in dual in, single out. Ford puts this on for drone, okay? So you try not to take this off unless you guys want it really loud, okay? And then it goes 3-inch, and we added a 3-inch pipe because there was another resonator there that we took off, and then a massive muffler that was there that we took off and put Black Widow Maker 10-inch. There it is. Part number, box problems, like life problems, BW0013-3. There'll be a link in the description for this beautiful beast right there. All right. And then, believe it or not, it comes with another resonator there. Then 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then we put a 6-inch rolled black tip. Part number is right there. There'll be a link in the description for it too, powder coated. As you guys can see out the back to complete the look, because it needs a 6-inch tip for this massive truck. All right, there's the muffler that we took off, and there's the resonator we took off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe for more beautiful content, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified. Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah. Not bad at all. You like it?
Yeah.
Here's sound decibels. You want more? Or is that good? Yeah. Okay. Again? Yeah, right at 106. Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Let it idle. You see it idle because of that front one? It's quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still hear that. Cold start would be nice on it. Yeah. All right, go ahead and back it out. Yeah, I hear it. Honestly, it still needs a little bit more. Let's see when it breaks in a little bit longer, you know? Give it a couple of weeks. 7.3 Tremor Godzilla truck. Let you guys hear it on the inside. .3 Tremor. Massive truck, guys. Look at that. Only got 300 miles on it. Picked it up from the dealer, brought it to us. It was way too quiet before. Not anymore. Got Black Widowmaker and a 6-inch tip.